Okay, let's talk to Rotimi Fakaijo, who is a trader and chief executive officer at Enterprise Stockbrokers. Let's get his views on the phone. Good morning, Rotimi. We thank you very much for hanging there on the phone for us.
Good morning, both.
Thank you very much. Let's get started straight as far as the banks were concerned. Yesterday was good. Do you think some of the banks have issued statements to the market, to investors, about whether they were involved in some of the anti-graft central bank investigations, Sterling Bank, Access Bank, but these shares continue to gain? Do you think those explanations and what the central bank is doing is part of the investors' confidence in the commercial banks?
Well, to me, I believe the recent occurrence in the within the system, whereby Sterling, Access, and Fidelity were being accused, but they've all issued statements. We've seen the appointment of an acting MD for Fidelity, and we've seen Access Bank and Sterling Bank issue statements trying to nip in the bud the accusation that was being leveled against them. And that is a normal procedural investigation that took place, and things are not as what people think. And I believe the capital market took that to heart, and that is why we aren't seeing any sort of negative impact on the prices of those securities.
Yes. So technically speaking, the banking sector is on track. The central bank also came out with a statement on Monday saying that the system is safe and sound, is conducting its own investigations. Based on what you've heard from your clients and other colleagues of yours, is anyone there panicking? Are there very deep concerns about the state of the banks?
Well, to me, there isn't any form of panic in the concerning the banking sector stocks here in the market. The view of most operators is such that whenever investigations take place, the outcome of it matters so much. And with the outcome that we have seen, we've really seen nothing to actually set any panic within the system. And more so for the fact that the CBN, which is a regulator for the banking sector, had already come out and issued a statement saying that the banking system is safe and sound. And as such, I believe investors took that to heart, and they are still patronizing the stocks in that sector. And that's why we are seeing changes, positive changes in the price of GT, in the price of Zenith, and several other of them in the same sector. Even Stanbic yesterday, even most of point. So I believe that everything is safe. Investors need not panic for whatsoever reason.
Rotimi, let's talk about the petrol scarcity. I'm not sure how you're coping with the resurgence of the scarcity. Speculations that new petrol pricing regime will start from today. The government's talking about new subsidy policy for the country. So do you think this bit of one step forward, two step backward, uncertainties were all part of the 1.63% drag down of the oil and gas index on Tuesday?
Well, I think with respect to the pricing of petroleum products, I believe whatever position that the federal government is taking, I believe is in the best interest of the entire country. And as such, if it means they have to renege on what they have said earlier on, it's because they have seen a need for doing so. And I believe that definitely will play out to the benefit of all. So I don't expect much change going forward in the price of the stocks in the petroleum marketing sector. This further happened yesterday concerning imported oil, but I want to believe that things may definitely not be the same today again. We may see things beginning to change for the oil and gas sector from this trading day.
Okay, we're seeing all of that playing out. So Rotimi Fakaijo, thank you very much. I'm sure you folks are getting ready for the debt management, debt auction today and all of that. We'll take a quick break.